Hi, I'm Kenneth Lit, Senior Technology Manager of Bravo Transport Service Limited. Thank you Hong Kong U to invite us to join the panel discussion. Now to start with, let me introduce Bravo to you first. Newer First Bus and City Bus are under Bravo Transport Service Limited, provide the franchise and non-franchise service to Hong Kong. We have 200 routes, 1,700 buses, and 5,000 staff. Since 2020, due to COVID-19 pandemic, same with other businesses in the world, Bravo also faced a big challenge. Compared with the figure between March 2021 and January 2020, the existing patronage is only 74%, while we are required to maintain the service level at 83%. From the chart, you can see the change of occupancy before and during the COVID, which we believe that this is the new normal traffic pattern, which may be carried on even in the post-pandemic. The existing service level are not aligned with the actual traffic demand. Lots of empty buses are observed in the city. We are facing our tough time, so please come and get on our bus and support bus industry. Let's go to our topic today. Bravo are the first public transport operator to sign the memorandum with government to open bus arrival data. The real-time bus arrival data, including route and bus stop info, are released to the public since August 2019. We observed many Hong Kong traffic-related apps are using our provided data. Rather than bus arrival data, certainly we have other variable data. However, different with the most transport operator in the world, Hong Kong public transport operator are privately owned. Each operator pays for its own service network. As the traffic network between different operators are so close in Hong Kong, in a certain extent, the transport operators are competing with each other. As a result, the data which related to passenger patronage, as well as the travel pattern, are highly commercially sensitive. I believe that most of the transport operators have a concern to release this data. For the provision of this data, from R&D, application, and maintenance, are fully funded by PTO themselves. PTO should provide the data in a commercially principle, especially the data provided to non-PTO, which are also sitting for commercial purpose at the end. Also, public have a privacy concern to release the data which can be identified their traveling pattern. Even we have mastered the personal identifier in the data. In the Hong Kong Smart City Blueprint 2.0 announced by the government, here are the major visions related to the transportation. It includes develop a traffic data analytics system to enhance traffic management and efficiency. Better traffic planning and management through enhanced use of data analytics. People plan their journey with real-time traffic information. Mobile moves people and goods expeditiously and efficiently, meeting the needs of both users and operators. Accessible, deliver easy, reachable, and reliable transport service. We understand that the provision of transport data is a must for the success of the development. Although we are concerned to release the data, Bravo will work hand by hand with government as we are the major transport operator in Hong Kong. So, how to better use our shared data? In Hong Kong, obviously, an intermodal transport is not well developed in the past. One of the reasons is due to the inaccuracy of real-time info. Today, everyone get their real-time info by their own device. If there is an easy, accessible, and reliable journey planner among different transport modes, traveler may get use of it instead of asking for a direct transport linkage, which may seriously duplicate in resources. Government, as a leader in Hong Kong transport, should take a leading to consolidate all public transport data from PTO in order to have a comprehensive travel pattern analytics, which able to capture the dynamic change of the transport pattern. At the end, government should also release this variable data to transport planner to facilitate the intermodal transport planning. Existing PTO service is regulated by the static timetable. However, this is not the best treatment now. For example, during the recent COVID-19 period, the traffic pattern is changing every week. As we already have the real-time occupancy data for all service trips, we are able to monitor changes in bus occupancy of every bus route every day. However, there's a time lag in getting the timetable approved by the Transport Department and implemented. We believe that by the use of the big data, we are able to offer service based on traffic demand to reach the best resources allocation. In order for mass transit to be demand responsive, the regulatory framework may also need to catch up for some autonomy in timetabling. In conclusion, if the shared data can be applied to improve our operational efficiency, resources allocation, and passenger satisfaction, at the same time, our data can also be facilitated the implementation of the target stated in the Smart City Blueprint. Bravo is willing to give a hand. Thank you.